In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to HubSpot for posting and analytics. If you've ever wanted to simplify your LinkedIn management and keep all your marketing efforts streamlined within HubSpot, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into HubSpot, and once you're in, look at the top navigation and find the settings icon. It's that little gear you see at the top. Clicking on it will bring you into the main settings area of HubSpot, which essentially acts as your command center for all things marketing. Next, over on the left sidebar, you'll want to navigate to the marketing section, and under this, click on Social. This is where you can manage all your social media connections and gain insights into how your social media content is performing. Now, once you're in the social settings, look for an option that says Connect Account, or you might see a button that reads Connect New Account. Either of these will help you add a new social media account into HubSpot. You'll then see a list of various social media platforms. Since we're focusing on LinkedIn, select the LinkedIn option from the list. Here, you'll have the capability to connect both your personal LinkedIn profile and any company pages that you manage. This is particularly useful if you're handling social media for multiple brands or divisions within your business. Once you have selected LinkedIn, you'll be prompted to check the accounts or pages you want to connect. Make sure to tick them carefully. This ensures you're linking the right profiles and pages to your HubSpot account. After double-checking, click Connect, and just like that, your LinkedIn account will be linked to HubSpot. With this setup, you'll unlock a whole range of capabilities. You can now schedule posts to LinkedIn directly from HubSpot, making it easier than ever to keep your page active and engaging without having to leave the platform. This not only saves time, but also ensures that your content is consistent and strategic. Additionally, one of the major benefits is the ability to track post performance right within HubSpot. You'll be able to see impressions, clicks, and even track contacts that have interacted with your posts, giving you a comprehensive view of how your LinkedIn content is performing. This insight is invaluable for refining your social media strategies. Finally, you'll have a unified calendar to manage all your social publishing across various platforms in one place. This feature is a huge time saver and helps to keep your team organized by providing visibility into what content is going out and when. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate LinkedIn with HubSpot, allowing for easier management and insightful analytics. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your social media efforts to drive greater success.